welcome back to Freedom Calls. It's already been a year since my last video. I thought I would make one. Currently I'm quarantined at La Gomera, San Sebastian, and well, this is my life. Walking on the pontoons day after day, doing nothing more. Yeah, so this quarantine is of course about the coronavirus outbreak, and as the Spain is virtually hit, everything is basically under lockdown. We're not supposed to do anything except stay home, but it's getting boring after 4 weeks, so the only thing we can do here is visit all the boats. Of course it's not allowed basically, but what can you do? I have a friend's boat here, another Finnish boat. They have an Instagram page, slow.sailing. Check it out, I like it. Fortunately, the scenery is awesome. Too bad it's so far, yet so close. Let's go and see if the guys from Olivia are here. Look, a brand new Finnish flag. El Jesus! Okay, no luck there. Well, maybe I'll go to the grocery store instead. El Jesus!
Get me out of here!
What? What's happened?
I've been here 1 month already! Get me out of here!
Locked up in the marina. Terrible! See you! So, this is the only thing that we are allowed to do, to go to the shop and buy food. Otherwise, we should stay in the boat. Of course, this means that we're going to go to the shop like 5 times in a day just to get exercise, but let's hope that there's no Guardia Civil or any other kind of police. Beautiful city of La Gomera. Yeah, it's not a bad place to be in quarantine. It could be worse. It could be raining. The sky is blue. Trees are green. There's nobody on the streets. That's the positive side. But after 4 weeks, it's getting a bit boring. But let's see. Spanish government has already said that we're gonna extend the quarantine for 2 weeks, so in total it's gonna be 6 weeks quarantine and maybe even two weeks more after that. It's getting really annoying, but what can you do? Well, going to the shop is always fun. Even in the city center of San Sebastian de La Gomera, it's empty. There's nobody in the streets. Peace and quiet. I love it. I'm going to the shop. Here you need to wear the protective gloves so you don't infect anyone. This is now the historical center of San Sebastian, the capital of La Gomera. Big nice trees. Oh, wow. Very cool. So, this is pretty much my life currently. Going to the shop, going back to the boat. Going to talk to the other boats, back to the boat. Occasional diving. That's it. Oh, look, Guardia Civil. It's gonna pass me from my left side in a moment. Yeah, you don't want to mess with those guys. They're the paramilitaristic police of Spain. They can be a real asshole. And here's the boat itself. It's been my home again here for the past 4 weeks or so. So what life really is here in the harbor, it's sipping dorada in the shade. What else can you do? Nothing.